What is going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I just put the upper fangs on. Carbon fiber upper fangs on the front bumper. I think I need to redo the placement of them. I think I'll show you more in a little bit. I'm gonna take a little drive, go to the gym, hit a little shoulder day. There are a ton of people here right now, getting off of work, it seems. I'm at the city hall. I don't know why. I thought it would be not that busy, but it's super busy, so. Anyways, we're gonna head to the gym and then I'll show you what I mean. They just, I don't think I got the fitment perfect, and I want the fitment to be perfect. So yeah, the fitment is like, there's like a little bit of a gap. I'll show you when I get there. You guys gotta let me know what you think about it. I think they look fine. I mean, like, I don't know if anybody would really notice, but that was a little slick, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, yeah, you guys gotta let me know what your thoughts are on the fitment. If you like it, if you don't like it. So, I think they look good. I like them. I just gotta get the fitment right. Is I think my thing. My issue that I'm having right now. My little bone to pick, but yeah. So anyways, it's Thursday. We're gonna head to the gym, hit a little shoulder day, shoulders and arms, make it a relatively quick workout. And then go home, watch some college football playoffs. Pretty chill day. Lotus. Don't see those every day. All right, let me show you what I'm talking about with these front upper fangs. So let's pop out, take a look, and go get this workout in. Okay, so that's what we just installed last night. As you can see, I think they complement the front splitter super nice. But my problem is, and I think I just need to go back in and readjust them, but if you can see in here, there's like this gap right there. See that gap? So I'm not a big fan of that. You can't really tell, you know, when you're out here, but you can kind of tell when you're getting close. So, but anyways, I like the look. I think it complements the front end really well. It's not too ricey. So I really want to coat out the amber lights on the DRLs. I think you can do that with Beamer code, but we'll handle that later. So it's the latest mod, if you can even call it that. So that's that. Anyways, man, we're gonna go get this workout in and go home, watch some college football. So short drive today, but that's it for me, man. Enjoy your Thursday, enjoy your Friday, enjoy your weekend coming up. Make the most of it, and that's all I got today. Wishing you well, drive safe out there, and until next time, see you in the next video.